Sharing brings happiness. Once, there lived a boy named Keith with his mother. He turned 8, and it was time for a grand celebration. His mother had decorated the house with streamers and balloons. She had prepared many snacks like chocolate chip cookies, blueberry muffins, chocolate cake, and lots of lemonadito drinks. Keith had invited a lot of friends, and he was waiting for his friends to arrive. Soon, there was a knock at the door. A boy with matted hair and torn clothes stood at the door, asking for food. Keith shouted, "Go away, bae. Don't keep standing at my door." Keith's mother saw this, but before she could say anything, Keith's friends came. Soon, the boys played many games and had fun. After they had left, Keith saw the same boy standing across the street. His mother said, "You should invite him in and share food with him, Keith. You're more like this share." Keith understood and invited Happy, helping someone in need. And he got a new friend, too.